Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. Today I'm going to be sharing our fall evening routine with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started.
So first things first, I'm going ahead and getting a head start on dinner because tonight we're making some homemade pumpkin pizzas.
Pizza.
Can I help you make
Of course you can. Help knead it like this. Yeah, good job.
And there's flour on my roller.
I'm sure nobody's surprised by this, but my little sous chef is of course helping me out in the kitchen tonight. And if I'm being honest with you guys, since this little one could walk on 2 feet, she has been baking and cooking in the kitchen with me. She just absolutely loves it. So I try to encourage her anytime she wants to help me out to come on in the kitchen and get her hands dirty with me. I decided to surprise Paisley with her own little ghost pizza, and she absolutely loved it. Something that my husband and I both really enjoy spending time doing together, specifically in the fall months, is puzzles. So tonight, while we're eating our pizza, we decided to try and tackle some more of this puzzle. After dinner, the kiddos are typically so messy, we just go straight into a bath. So, like every other night, that's exactly what we did.
Eat it, splish, splish.
So my son is an early bird. This kiddo is ready for bed by 6:30. So I'm just going ahead and getting him down for the night, giving him some love, some actual snuggles. Now, I know making a special dessert may not be everybody's evening routine, but it is ours. My husband has the biggest sweet tooth of anybody I have ever met. Every single night this man needs his dessert, so tonight we opted in for some cinnamon rolls. I do love to make homemade cinnamon rolls, but this night it just wasn't in the cards. We had so much going on, we were busy, the kids were tired, and honestly, I was exhausted myself. Every night I do what I call closing down the kitchen, meaning the kitchen is clean for the next morning, there's no dishes, everything's been wiped down, it is fresh and clean and ready for the next day. Typically at this point, my husband's getting my daughter ready for bed, and on my way back to the bedroom after officially closing down the kitchen, I stop in, say goodnight, give her hugs and kisses, we read a story, and then I go ahead and get myself ready for bed. Once both kiddos are asleep, I really do try to give myself just a little bit of me time. This is a pretty quick pamper routine for me in the evenings. I have much longer ones, but if I can get just a little bit of a fix in for the evening, then I am one happy mama. After I'm done getting all freshened up for bed, I typically will either start editing or my husband and I will watch a show together. This night, I decided to finish up editing this video so I could get it out for you guys.
Okay friends, I did want to go ahead and close out this video. It is almost 9 o'clock at night, so I think it's time for me to say goodnight and thank each and every single one of you guys for watching my videos, for liking, subscribing, and commenting. That's not go unnoticed. I hope you guys know how much it means to me. I'm gonna go ahead and say good night, friends, and I'll see you in the next one.